Welcome to my channel, 3-Minute Classrooms. This is Kanak, and at 3-Minute Classrooms, you can learn some of the most important lessons in less than 3 minutes and transform your life. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is a stock market, what is a stock, why does the price of a stock change every day, why do people buy and sell stocks. So let's start. What is a stock market? Stock market is a marketplace almost similar to a grocery store where people like you and me can go and buy stocks of the companies they like. And it's a place where owners of companies can sell stocks of their businesses to people visiting this market. Now you might be wondering, what is a stock? So one single stock represents a very tiny part of the company. When you buy a stock, you are basically buying a very small fraction of the company. Every time you buy a stock, you become a partial owner of the company. A stock is not a mere piece of paper or a ticker that moves, but it represents partial ownership of a business. So why does the price of a stock change every day? Price of a stock represents the value of the business that people in the stock market perceive. So if people in the stock market perceive that a business is less valuable today than yesterday, they would start selling it at a lower price. On the other hand, if they perceive the business to be more valuable today than yesterday, they would start selling it at a higher price. Thus, stock price reflects the perception of the value of a business among the people in the market. Why do people buy and sell stocks? Let us understand why people sell stocks. For example, I'm the owner of ABC Corporation and I want to raise money to build a new factory. In this situation, one of the ways in which I can raise money is by selling 10% of my company to people at large. So I will create about 100 pieces of that 10% of my company and sell each piece as a single stock to the people. On the other hand, people who think that my business is going to be profitable and it will increase in value over time would want to buy a piece of my business, so they will buy my stocks to own a part of my business. The overall objective to buy a stock is to share the profits that the business will generate. It is a common idea that stock market is a place to gamble, but in reality, it offers an opportunity to individuals to become owners of businesses they otherwise cannot buy completely. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to make more such videos for you, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.